Hi, I'm May. Welcome to Encounters of the Retired Kind, a space for quiet reflections, gentle humor, and honest stories about life after retirement. Dito tayo magkwentuhan, walang pressure, walang deadlines, just real talk about slowing down and starting again. 2 years into retirement life, feel ko I am in a better position now to share my stories with you, na sana ay kapupulutan ninyo ng tips or guidance. As a background, I worked in corporate life for almost 40 years, and I retired at 60 years old. Bakit ako nag-retire at 60? Na-burned out po, pero that's for a different video. For now, I wanted to share something light and hopefully makarelate kayo. Ready na ako if ready na kayo. Sabi nga nila, watch and learn. Next. Here are the top 5 things that I don't do anymore since I retired. I don't rush my mornings na. Wala na akong stress sa pagmamadali. Every morning is a gentle start. I just enjoy my coffee and peace of mind. Pero mind you, it doesn't mean gumigising lang ako kung kailan ko gusto. I still keep a routine, especially if I know the routine or habit is a good one. Ang nawala lang ay yung parang hinahabol ako lagi, rushing to get out of the house and drive to work because I need to beat the traffic hours. I am sure gets ninyo ako. I don't overcommit to obligations. Mas enjoy ko na ngayon ang mga bagay na mahalaga sa akin. Hindi naman parang bahala na si Batman ang peg ng days ko. I still keep a schedule and plan my day with intention. Pero unlike before, I do not say yes to everything. I do not let my day run my life, but instead, I ran my day. This is definitely a change kasi noon, I don't have a say sa araw ko. The pace is dictated by what needs to be accomplished and attended to sa office. Now, I find time to breathe, to walk, and to smell the roses. And ang sarap ng feeling. I don't stress over things I cannot control. Life is too short to worry about what we cannot change. Before, high blood ako. I get picon and impatient easily. For example, if wrong delivery ang Foodpanda or GrabFood, I will make an issue out of it. Hindi ako titigil until I get what I want. Feeling diva, no? And this is actually doing me more harm than good. Huwag pamarisan. Bad yun. O kaya, if incorrect ang execution ng linis ng cleaning lady ko, I get inis. And if I am not in the mood, nagagalit ako. Again, even if I lecture at mag-speech ako the whole day, deadma lang naman sila. So talo pikon and ako yun. Ngayon, chill to the max ako. Not worth my precious time and health. I have learned not to sweat the small stuff. I intentionally practice more patience and kindness. And I feel better about myself. I don't chase trends anymore or keep up with everyone else's pace. Hindi na ako mahilig sa luxury designer bags and shoes, mga uso na damit at magagarang cars and gadgets. Mas enjoy ko na ngayon ang simpleng buhay. Sabi nga nila, comparison is the thief of joy. So best to be content with what we have and have been blessed with, and most importantly, be grateful for them. I don't forget to take care of myself. Self-care isn't selfish. Essential ito, especially sa retirement. Sabi nga nila, you cannot pour from an empty cup. So ngayon, ako naman. I give myself the care and attention it deserves. Same as what I have been doing for family and friends all these years. What is different? This time, favorite ko na ang sarili ko. I watch what I eat. I dedicate time for exercise or physical activity. I pray and meditate every day. Do regular medical checkups. I even block time for my learning and self-enrichment para sa mga brain cells ko. I feel my life is more balanced now. Not as fast-paced as it used to be, but I am loving the slow living. There is still so much to be done. I am taking it one day at a time. Thank you for watching! We hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito. Excited na kami to hear from you. What retirement topics would you like us to cover next? Basta carry namin, we shall do it. Feel free to share your ideas in the comments below, and let's continue this journey together. See you in the next one. Sending good vibes from Gibby and Mama.